3, 1, 5, 2, and 7 as your data set. Then you are asked to calculate lower quartile. Lower quartile, commonly known as Q1, it normally falls in a quarter n plus 1th position. So this is what we are going to do. The first thing we will do is to arrange this particular data set in ascending order. In layman's language, we are going to arrange it from the smallest to the largest. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 5, then 7. Perfect. From there, we are going to count them. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they are 5. Okay. So if there are 5, let's use this formula. A quarter into 5 plus 1 nth. N is the number of items. So that becomes a quarter times 6. A quarter times 6 is the same as that is 2. 3 all over 2 is the same as 1.5. So we are going to find the 1.5th position of this data set. So this is the first position and this is the second position. So in between 1 and 2 is 1.5, right? So we'll take 1 plus 0.5, we multiply by the difference between the points, 2 minus 1, which is 1, so that we get 1.5. So that's how we calculate the lower quartile. So what about the upper quartile? What about the upper quartile? How do we calculate the upper quartile? It is not that complicated. Upper quartile is calculated by finding 3/4 n plus 1th position. 3/4 nth plus 1 position. So upper quartile, 3/4 n plus 1th position. So let's go. The first thing, we arrange in ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. Perfect. What do we do? Our next scenario, we take 3 divided by 4 into how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 1. So 5 is our n. So that becomes 3 all over 4 times 6. And of course that is 2, that is 3. 9. Sorry. That will be 9 divided by 2, which is 4.5. So let's find the 4.5 position. The first position, second position, third position, fourth position is there, which is 5 plus 0.5. We multiply by, now we find the difference between 7 and 5, and you get 2. So that we have 0.5 times 2 is 1. So that we get 6. So that is it. So let's calculate the interquartile range of this is called ungrouped data. We've not grouped this data set. Grouping data means you write it maybe in terms of 1 to 5, 6 to 10, 11 to 15, 16 to 20. Then you proceed like that. So interquartile range, we just take interquartile range, commonly known as IQR. We find we take upper quartile minus lower quartile, so that the upper quartile was 4.5, was 6, sorry. I remember it was 6 when we calculated it. It was 6 minus, of course, our lower quartile was around, I think it was 1.5. So 6 minus 1.5 is 4.5. For online tuition, kindly contact me through this number that I've just attached in this particular screen for your child to enjoy. the services online. So the student